What should you expect as the executor of a will in New Jersey? Serving as executor of a will is both an honor and a serious legal duty. An executor in New Jersey shepherds a will through probate, manages the estate, settles debts and taxes, and distributes what remains to the heirs. There are strict requirements, and failing to meet them can lead to personal liability. Knowing what to expect will help you fulfill this role. Soon after a death, locate the original will, obtain certified death certificates, and file the will with the Monmouth County Surrogate's Court. Probate cannot begin until 10 days have passed, but you should still notify government agencies, creditors, financial institutions, and beneficiaries. You must formally notify all beneficiaries and next of kin within 60 days after probate begins. You cannot administer the estate until you receive letters testamentary from the surrogate's court. Once the court confirms the will is valid and unchallenged, it issues letters and short certificates that prove your authority to banks and other institutions. Without them, you cannot access accounts, sell property, or transfer assets. Many executors find that working with an estate planning lawyer helps ensure the paperwork is complete and filed correctly. After receiving authority, gather and safeguard the estate's property. That includes bank and investment accounts, real estate, vehicles, and personal possessions. Maintain insurance on property, pay mortgages and taxes, and handle necessary upkeep to preserve value. Keep careful records of assets and expenses because the court or beneficiaries may require a detailed accounting at the end of probate. Probate takes time. Most estates in Monmouth County are settled in 9 to 12 months, though simple matters may conclude sooner and complex cases can last up to 2 years. Creditors have 9 months from the date of death to file claims, and you cannot distribute the estate before that period ends. You must also file any inheritance tax return within 8 months. Disputes over the will are heard in the Superior Court and often prolong the process. Before you distribute assets, you must pay all legitimate debts and taxes. File the decedent's final income tax returns and, if required, an inheritance tax return. There is no separate state estate tax for deaths after January 1, 2018, but larger estates may owe federal estate tax. Inheritance tax may apply to certain beneficiaries. Pay creditor claims in the order prescribed by law and reject any that are invalid. Distributing assets prematurely can leave you personally liable. You must follow the will's instructions and cannot choose who receives what. Selling real estate or making early distributions often requires court approval unless the will expressly allows it. At the end of probate, you must prepare an accounting that shows all money received and spent. Formal court approval may be needed if beneficiaries dispute your accounting. Mistakes can have serious consequences. Failing to maintain property, missing tax deadlines, or distributing assets before debts are paid could result in penalties, lawsuits, or removal as executor. Beneficiaries may ask the court to replace you if you self-deal or cannot work with them. Executors are compensated for their work. New Jersey law provides a graduated commission, 5% of the first $200,000 of the estate, 3.5% on amounts between $200,000 and $1 million, and 2% on amounts above $1 million. You may also receive commissions on income earned during administration. These fees come from the estate and must be reported on your personal tax return. Because probate is complex, most executors benefit from hiring an attorney. A skilled lawyer can prepare court filings, handle creditor claims, file tax returns, and ensure you meet every deadline. Having a law firm at your side can protect you from mistakes and provide peace of mind. Serving as an executor is a significant undertaking, but with knowledge and professional guidance you can honor the decedent's wishes and complete the process successfully. For help, contact the Matus Law Group at 732-785-49 4453 or visit 125 Half Mile Road number 201A, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701, United States.